Good evening friends, I am Devinder Singh. The case here is about Go Ahead Technologies, which is operating from Bhopal and imparting server-side technologies training in mainframes and AS400 to pre-final year and the final year students of engineering colleges. We have 4 questions over here. The first one talks about the operations. Whether the company should continue its operation in Bhopal or target some other city. I would suggest the company should continue its operations in Bhopal itself. There are 3 main reasons behind it. The first and the foremost is the customer base. They have a huge customer base in Bhopal. As it is mentioned in the case, there are 40 plus engineering colleges in Bhopal. And they want to target all those students in Bhopal, engineering college students in Bhopal, to make them ready, employability ready for the IT companies. The next reason is infrastructure. They have their infrastructure ready in Bhopal. They need not buy new land facility anywhere else, new equipments, so they can easily continue and expand their operations and infrastructure in Bhopal itself. The third one is expansion to the other technologies. They want to expand themselves in other front-end technologies like C++, Java, .NET. So they can contact the faculties and other major market leaders in Bhopal, hire them for their own institute to expand their operations in these technologies. The next question talks about the revenue generating opportunities. Again, I have identified 3 revenue generating opportunities over here. The first one is imparting technical skills, the second one is imparting soft skills, and the third one is offering paid projects to the students. For the technical skills, the imparting of technical skills, now we have 2 bases over here. The first one is the already existing base, that is the server-side technologies, mainframes and AS400. The Go Ahead Technologies already have faculties for them, so they can continue their operations on the technical skills for server-side technologies. For the expansion part, that is the front-end technologies, Java and C++, they can contact the lecturers from the same colleges where the students are from to work for them as a part-time trainers and expand their operations. The next is the soft skill trainings. For the soft skill trainings, they can easily outsource this to some other vendor, to some other company in Bhopal itself who provides soft skill trainings. They can either hire new professionals to work for them and impart these trainings. The third one is offering the paid projects. Again, there are very small institutes in Bhopal which offer these services, so this can be easily outsourced to those institutes, by getting up into a model, tying up with them to offer these services to their students, that is offering them paid projects or trainings or internships, whatever it is. The next question talks about discussing the marketing strategy. Now, we already have a segmentation over here defined. We already have a target market defined over here, that is pre-final year and the final year students of engineering colleges in Bhopal. Now we need to work on positioning Go Ahead Technologies. For positioning, the first thing we need to do is creating awareness about the server-side technologies. The students in Bhopal, they're not much aware about the server-side technologies like mainframes and AS400. Everybody is keen on learning the languages like C++, Java and all this. So, to create awareness, what Go Ahead Technologies can do is they can arrange some free workshops in the colleges and their campuses itself. They can bring in some IT top shots to talk about these technologies, their relevance in the sector, to talk about the relevance of the soft skills in the market, in the industry. And we can also discuss about the success stories of these IT professionals who's worked on these technologies. So this will definitely create an awareness. Now comes, after the awareness, how to execute this. So the operations part of this is again can be handled by hiring in new faculties on the new technologies, using their existing faculties to teach on the server-side technologies, hiring new faculties for the soft skills, outsourcing the paid project which we talked about earlier, offering paid project internships to the students. So this comes under the operations part. The next and the last question is about discussing the HR planning. The HR planning, again, since it's a market leader in the service technologies, we want to expand it as an overall finishing school in Bhopal. So we need to have very limited liability on the human resource front. For this, what we can do is we can hire hire we already have the college faculties, as it's mentioned in the case, who are working as a part-time trainers in other institutes. So we can hire them on the contract basis to teach our students here in Go Ahead Technologies. So it would be a lean organization wherein we'd have a limited liability on the HR front. So we can hire them on the contract basis or on the profit sharing basis. So this is all about Go Ahead Technologies. Thank you.